Welcome back to BalconyGardenWeb, your go-to source for all things gardening. In today's video, we're exploring a collection of stunning flowers that don't need a lot of water. These low-water blooms showcase nature's resilience and add vibrant beauty to your garden. Whether you live in a dry climate or simply want to conserve water, these flowers are perfect for your garden. Let's dive into the list of beautiful drought-tolerant flowers. Number 1. Desert Rose. First up, we have the desert rose. This stunning plant thrives in arid conditions, making it one of the best low-maintenance flowers that don't need a lot of water. Number 2. Blanket flower. Next is the blanket flower. With its vibrant hues reminiscent of a cozy blanket, this hardy perennial thrives in dry climates, adding a splash of color to your garden without requiring much watering. Number 3. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is another excellent choice. This tropical beauty boasts small white flowers surrounded by showy paper-like bracts in a myriad of shades, all while needing very little water. Number 4. Lantana. With clusters of vibrant flowers and aromatic foliage, lantana adds a touch of whimsy to any garden. Its ability to withstand drought makes it a champion choice. Number 5. Moss Rose. Moss rose features colorful daisy-like blooms that grace your garden while requiring very little water, making it a perfect choice among flowers that don't need a lot of water. Number 6. Crown of Thorns. This resilient succulent, crowned with thorny branches, adds a touch of exotic beauty to your garden and thrives with minimal watering. Number 7. Lavender Cotton. Lavender cotton, with its silver gray foliage and small yellow flowers, brings a touch of elegance to your garden while thriving in low-water conditions. Number 8. Verbena. Known for its abundant clusters of vibrant blooms, verbena is a favorite among flowers that don't need a lot of water. It adds a burst of color to your garden with minimal effort. Number 9. Oleander. Oleander boasts beautiful clusters of fragrant flowers. This hardy shrub thrives in arid climates and requires little water, making it an excellent addition to your garden. Number 10. Rose Campion. With velvety silver leaves and vibrant magenta flowers, Rose Campion adds a touch of old-world charm to gardens while being well-suited for dry conditions. Number 11. Rock Soapwort. Resilient and charming, rock soapwort blankets rocky landscapes with cascades of pink or white flowers. Its ability to thrive in dry conditions makes it an excellent choice for low-water gardens. Number 12. Pine Leaf Penstemon. Sporting vibrant red or orange tubular flowers, the pine leaf penstemon is one of the top choices among flowers that don't need a lot of water. Number 13. Firecracker Plant. Bursting with fiery red or orange tubular flowers, the firecracker plant adds a bold and tropical touch to your garden while thriving in dry conditions. Number 14. Snowdrops. These small, delicate flowers are early bloomers, often emerging even before the snow melts. They're well adapted to cold climates and can tolerate dry conditions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this guide to drought-tolerant flowers, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!